basically, I was going through my pantry and looking and seeing what I've got, and decided I was going to make a really good pantry 3-bean salad. This is almost fully pantry. I'll tell you what is in pantry, but I got the original idea from this book, one of the books I recommended in an earlier video, Best Recipes from the Backs of Boxes, Bottles, Cans, and Jars. And this was, which one was it? It was the Tangy Bean Salad. I don't know if you can see it there. I'll put the full recipe in the description box. But basically, it was 3 different types of beans and some savory items and a dressing. So I had actually all of the beans. I had the wax beans. I had the green beans. I didn't have any canned red beans, but I had made some red beans previously, so I pulled those out of the freezer. And instead of making a full dressing, I'm just going to be using this zesty Italian dressing from Dollar Tree. I'm also going to be adding a red onion because I have one. You can add other things. You could add peppers, or you could add, those banana peppers or savory peppers, whatever you want to do. What I'm going to do with this is put it in the fridge, eat it as is with cornmeal muffins. I'm going to have it in salads, and I might even mix it up with pasta and make sort of a bean pasta salad. So let's get started. So basically I'm going ahead and I'm emptying each can of beans into the colander here and rinsing it so there's none of the original liquid left. And when I'm done, I'm putting it in the bowl here. So I'm going to finish doing that. And here it is so far. Doesn't that look good? I like the the 2 different shapes and the 3 different colors of beans. I think it looks nice. You can also use chickpeas or black beans or canned or fresh made, whatever you want to do. This is what I happen to have. I have noticed that the beans I made myself are kind of coming apart there a little bit. They're real soft, but it's not going to make any difference. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up some red onion and throw that in there too. Alright, so here are my red onions. I've chopped them up. Again, the amount is really up to you, and you can add whatever you want, whatever savory items you have, or maybe some celery or fresh red peppers. It's very, very open. So here we are, and I'm going to open the dressing and pour that in. Now, as I mentioned before, I'm using zesty Italian, but you can use anything you want. Balsamic vinegar, regular, it's really up to you, or whatever you have available. You can make your own with oil and vinegar. So I'm going to shake this up and squirt a little bit on the salad, and we'll try it. And I just tried it, and it's delicious, and we're done. I mean, you could add feta cheese to this. You could do whatever you want, but isn't that a nice looking salad? Just bring that just as is to the dinner table or a potluck or something. So quick, so simple, so easy. So thank you so much for watching.